Hi friends, here we are given 6666, this number up to n digits. There are 6 n sixes. Similarly, there are n eights. The number of this 6 n sixes whole square plus this n eights. What is the sum of these two numbers? Right, whenever we are given this kind of problems, right, a number repeating like 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 whatever. When a number is repeating, first we have to convert this in terms of ones and then nines. Let's see how we should convert this. For example, 6 we can write it as 6 times 1 1 1 1 up to n, right? This we can write it, right? So for example, 66 we can write as 6 into 11, 666 we can write as 6 into 1 1 1 likewise. Right. So here 1 1 1 1 up to n digits. What does that mean? 11 we can write it as 99 by 9. Right. 111 we can write it as 999 by 9. Similarly, 1 up to n digits we can write it as 999 n digits by 9. Right. We can write it like this. Right. 99 2 9 2 ones. We can write it as 2 nines by 9. Right. So this becomes 6 into 999 n digits by 9 whole square, whole of the square. This becomes 6 by 9. What is 999 digits? 99 is what? 100 square minus 1. 999 is what? So, sorry, 99 is what? 10 square minus 1. 999 triple nine is what? 10 cube minus 1. Similarly, when we need 4 nines, we have to do 10 power 4 minus 1. We need n nines. That means 10 power n minus 1. So this becomes 6 times 10 power n minus 1 by 9 whole square. What is S2 similarly? Similarly, this one is same. Instead of 6, it is about x. Right. This becomes 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. That is the second expression, right? We need first expression square plus second expression. First expression is 6 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 whole square plus 8 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. Let us just open this square and call 10 power n as a, just for our simplicity, right? Now, what will this become? 6 square by 9 square, this one, and a minus 1 whole square plus 8 by 9 into a minus 1. This becomes 6 by 9, 6 square by 9 square times a square plus 1 minus 2a, that is a minus 1 whole square, plus 8 by 9 into a minus 1. So, this becomes 1 by 9 square times 6a square plus 6 square minus 2 into 6 square plus we are taking 9 square common. So the numerator should be multiplied with 9 because here there is only one 9. So 9 8 72 times a minus 1, which is 72a minus 72. What will this become? Here 6 square a square. This is that is 36 a square, right? Plus 36 minus 72a plus 72a minus 72 is what we have, right? This 6 square a square is 36 a square, right? And this 6 square minus this 72 is minus 36. This 2 into 6 square a, this is minus 72a. 2 into 36 minus 72 and this 72, these two will cancel. This and this will cancel. And this minus this is minus 36. So we are left with 36 a square minus 36. That is 36 into a square minus 1. Here 36 by 81 is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 into a square minus 1. What is a? A is 10 power n. So what is a square? 10 power n whole square, which is 10 power 2n minus 1. Right. The only trick here is to write 6666 as in this form. Right. If you are given a number like 1111 up to n, what we are doing, this we are writing as 9999 up to n by 9. Right. This is one way of looking at it. So, for example, 11 is 99 by 9, triple one is 999 by 9. Likewise, what how many ones are there? Those many nines by nine. This is one way of looking at it. There is another way of looking at the same problem, which is what is 111? 111 is 100 plus 10 plus 1. That is 1 plus 10 plus 1 10 100. Right? 1 plus 10 plus 100 is actually triple one. Triple one is 1 plus 10 plus 100. So this is in geometric progression, right? Ratio is 10 and A is 1, right? And N equals 3, right? Any number of ones, if there are N ones, that means this will be up to N times, right? So here, what will this become? 1 into A into R power N, that is 10 power 3 minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Right. This is 10 power 3 minus 1 by 9. This is when we need three ones. Three ones is 10 power 3 minus 1. Similarly, if we need n ones, then it will become 10 power n minus 1 because 1 will anyway be the same 10 power n minus 1 by n. This is the second way of looking at it. Right? Whether you look at it this way, directly 9s by 9, or if you look at it 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000, then also this is a geometric progression. A into A is anyway 1. 1 into 10 power n minus 1 by n minus 1. R power n minus 1 by r minus 1. We are using this formula. A times r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Right. Whichever way you look at it, you will get the same result. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.